Welcome to the House Tours Plug YouTube channel, and if not yet subscribed to this channel, take a second and subscribe to it. Calvin Broadus, famously known as Snoop Dogg, was born on October 20, 1971. He is an American rapper and media personality who became one of the best-known figures in gangsta rap during the 1990s. Although he has received much recognition as a singer, Snoop has also appeared in numerous films and television dramas throughout his career. Eventually, his talent was spotted by the famed producer-rapper Dr. Dre, and Snoop's debut album Doggy Style was released, which introduced him to the world of music. In his illustrious career, Snoop has also appeared in numerous movies and has been a frequent guest on television shows. He is worth over $150 million. His stunning mansion in Claremont, California boasts of 8 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms on a 6,527 square feet of land. He bought this mansion at a cost of $1.83 million. The mansion has a formal entry with marble floors and grand staircase. The kitchen boasts of granite countertops and quality appliances. It has dual master suites, which features ultra-lavish bathrooms. However, it continues to display its home theater room, recording studio room, marble fireplaces, crown molding, and numerous quality built-ins. This mansion is never complete without a pool and a spa coupled with a basketball and a tennis court. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our new upcoming exclusive house tours. See you then!